It's really just a nice, convenient way to always have water with you when you're taking your dog on walks, going on hikes, even biking with your dog. So, I'll give you an up-close look. This part just flips open. Fill this up with water, obviously, and then you squeeze the bottle, and the water will come right down into the bowl. Really simple to fill up. Just unscrew this, fill it up with your sink, and you're ready to go. Just flips out. Parker, you want some water, buddy? So you just squeeze the water bottle. The water comes right on out into the bowl. I love bringing this with me on hikes. It's so convenient. Thirsty boy? Brinkley, you want some? Brink. Here you go.